I'm Simon Cox. I am a research fellow at the Esalen Center for Theory and Research, and I'm teaching a workshop called Sleep Alchemy: Secrets of Taoist Sleep Practices for Inner Peace and Renewal from April 20th to 24th, where my Kung Fu brother Jeff Reed and I are going to be teaching some Taoist sleep meditation practices where you kind of enter the hypnagogic space between wake and sleep and use that kind of as a zone to engage deeply with the organs of your body and also kind of transition into like a slight kind of visualization dream space. We're doing these sleep practices for like kind of 2.5 to 3 hours at a time, twice a day. We talk about the kind of Taoist theories of the body, theories of dream, theories of sleep. But then there's also guided meditations from Jeff and I, where we take you through two of the main practices in this kind of sleep meditation tradition. Even though you're going through these guided naps every day, a lot of our students would then go and sleep for like 14 hours a night. It's like this paradoxical thing where, like, when you're at Esalen and you're in this space where you're just allowed to really, really relax, people would do the sleep meditations and then they would take a nap in the afternoon and then they come do more sleep meditation in the evening and then they would sleep like a 12 to 14 hour night sometimes. No guarantees, but we've seen this sort of thing happen before. Some people had really dramatic reversals of insomnia. Even though I was leading the workshop, it was like the most relaxing week of my entire life. So that's the whole vibe. We're actually really the top priority is to like chill out and to rest because I really think that's what the world needs right now. The world's on fire because we're not resting enough. I mean, that this is my opinion. I think I also, as a research fellow at the Esalen CTR, I have a PhD in the history of religions, and my grand kind of theory of the kind of arc of history is I see us at the end of a basically 10,000 year mad dash from the Neolithic Revolution when we discovered agriculture. We've just been working and working and working, and now we work so much that the entire planet is heating up. We just need to stop doing stuff. And so anyway, in this is a kind of a little micro version at this workshop of just practicing, just stopping, just resting, chilling,